How to correctly locate the title block with HP SmartStream for HP PageWide XL Printer Series. In this video, we'll see how to correctly locate the title block with HP SmartStream, so the information shows as the front page of the folded printout. The title block is part of a plot that contains information specific to that plot, such as the client name, architect name, and an address of a construction site. This process is optimized, streamlined, and made simple with HP SmartStream. First, I'll create a new job in SmartStream by clicking the Add button and selecting a plot. Next, I add the files containing the title block. It's important to make sure that folder is selected as the destination for this feature to work correctly. Now all the files I've selected are in SmartStream. I need to open the preview panel. This shows the green rectangle, which indicates the information will be shown on the front page. Then I need to select the folding style I wish to use. For this scenario, I'm using DIN-B. I then use the rotation buttons in the preview to locate the green rectangle to cover the title block. I can also zoom in to check in more detail. If the green rectangle does not cover the title block using rotation, I would need to consider changing the folding style. Please note, if I have the dock organizer module installed, I can automatically zoom in the title block by using the Zoom to Legend tool. If, for example, I need to consistently print the same plot with the same folding style with the title block on the front cover, I can, within SmartStream, create a custom configuration which streamlines my process. Once I've finished, I just need to click Print, and the plot will print out with the title block on the front page. And with this simple but effective feature, I can easily and quickly ensure the plot title block in fold documents is correctly located using HP SmartStream.